My favorite interior feature of the 2019 Santa Fe is a 360-degree view camera. When you put it in reverse or when you're going forward slowly, it gives you a whole bird's eye view of what's around you.
It's the new cloth, kind of soft feeling on the headliner. Makes it look really nice and feels good too.
The wireless charging. Most of smartphones nowadays come compatible with wireless charging capabilities.
My favorite safety feature has got to be the lane keep assist. That's standard, pretty fun to drive, and it almost feels like it's driving itself sometimes.
The lane departure warning and lane keep assist does a really good job of keeping you in your lines and alerting you if you're traveling outside of your lines.
The safe exit assist, it basically locks the door if it tells you're parallel parked and a car is coming.
What I like about the drivability of the 2019 Santa Fe is the different drive modes that are available. You can be in sport mode if you want to go a little bit faster, or eco mode to get better gas mileage.
It is a pretty decently sized SUV, but it doesn't feel large when you're in it. It feels very easy to drive.
I love the way the 2019 Santa Fe handles overall, especially the one with the turbo. Drives really nice, really quick. Customers really love the new redesign in the 2019 Santa Fe. It has all new body style with the mesh grille. Looks really cool and really sporty.
The size and especially the storage. Lots of room in the back for storing everything that they need.
That it's a pretty well sized, you can fit a lot of stuff in there and it's comfortable to be in. It's not big, it's not small, it's just right.